Hi everyone, I'm going to make another pair of red, this is a little bit of orange, but it's sort of red, earrings for July. So let's get started. I had a piece of tape on my hand and it flew right in front of the camera as I said hi everyone. I had to start over. But we're using I think they're 20 gauge gold plate headpins. And always make sure your beads won't come off, because if they do and your headpin's too small, get you a little seed bead or something with a small hole in it to use for the bottom bead. Something smaller than the head, and it should work just fine. There are some head pins out there that they just, I don't know, I guess they're manufactured quickly in a machine, and sometimes it just don't get them as big as others, or it might be the size of the wire, I don't know. Some reason they won't fit, your bead will fall right off, and I don't have one to show you a big whole bead falling off right now. I've done it on the other videos, so we're just making a quick pair of little earrings for July, and it's just something to show you something you can do. That's pretty. Alright, and these are thick enough, they're not bendy. They don't bend good, so we are going to take them and snip them about a 1/2 inch and hold your wire. And then snip this one about a 1/2 inch with flush cutters. They're flush cutters. And then take our round nose pliers. About lost that bead there. Take our round nose, and we're going to take them and bend it back and bend it around. I might have it a little bit too big, but that'll work. Just a little simple pair of earrings you can make. Use any color beads you like. And you could have a whole big old bunch of beads and make several different. Make you a pair for each outfit. That's probably what these are going to wind up to being. This one's a little loose, so I'm going to trim it a little bit more, because I don't think I got it quite the same amount. And I should have showed you what I mean by it. It was, which whenever it hangs, it would hang tight, but just going to cut a little bit off. I didn't cut much off. I don't know where it went, but it's still connected to the, see. Yeah, I tell you, I thought I got that one a little bit too big, and I think I did. There. So you have a little bit of play in it, but you don't want big old gaps. Alright, now take our chain nose pliers. Figure out where our head or our ear wire opens, and mine opens on the back. I've got them open in all different ways. I've got them open on the front. I've got them open on the side. I didn't realize that they made them all those different ways, but I guess a different company makes them different each time. So, yeah. I hear a bird tweeting out in the backyard. It looked like it was in a storm a minute ago, and it looked like it was in a storm a minute ago, and I'm like, now it looks sunny outside, so it must have just been a little dark cloud that went over. And there we go. Cute little pair of earrings to wear in July, or any time really. And every once in a while you get one that doesn't have all the stuff on it. So, I guess they could be used, but maybe wrap a bead around them if you get enough of them. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Like and subscribe, and check out my other channels if you get a chance. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.